Okay, so in this video, we're going to show you how we hand shift these 6-speed transmissions on the bench. This ensures that everything is working properly before you go through all that work and stuff this into your motorcycle. Okay, we do this on all of our brand new ones, the new used cassettes you can purchase from us on our website. We also do these to the ones, obviously, that the customer sends in and we redo for them. We also have a transmission case that we have set up in a vise and our own special jig that we go through all the gears through it as well. But for the customer, like when you get this, you unbox it before you put this in your bike, because FedEx, UPS, the regular postal service, they flip that box 360 degrees, treat it like a fucking football, everything else. Let's just make sure that everything is shifting properly before you go ahead and stuff this in the bike, put the primary back on and everything like that. Let's just save some time and let's do this, okay? So basically, you're gonna kind of tilt it. You're going to be turning the main shaft in the direction that it travels when it's on its motorcycle. Okay, so grab a hold of it, and I'm going to be turning this clockwise to go into second. Okay, there's second. There's third. There's fourth. There's fifth. And there's sixth. Okay, now, if it doesn't go in quickly, what that is you're waiting for that cog or the dog to come around and find its specific spot to fall into the pocket. Okay, so you got to think in consideration, this thing is rotating pretty damn fast while it's sitting idle in your bike. Okay, so be patient as you're doing this. Don't think that something's wrong immediately, you know. Sometimes you do have to work it kind of back and forth, because you're supporting this drum, not the bike. Okay, so, and there's play in this bearing, which pulls the little nipples on the fork rods kind of out of the drum, stuff like that. So just be mindful when you're doing so. Okay, there's neutral. And there's first. All right, so now we have determined that this shifts through all the gears. It is okay now to put in your motorcycle. That is the main thing that we wanted to do in this video, just to kind of show you. We do not want customers to waste their time. We haven't necessarily gone through this, but man, we've had some boxes show up here just completely destroyed. Customers sending us their transmissions. Now, when we send them out, they are packed with foam and everything else. We really try really hard to think of absolutely every possibility that could happen to that package when it's on its way. But God forbid something happens. You've got securing segments in here. They are known from OEM, straight from the factory, to fall out. We've seen it brand new cassettes that we purchased from the dealership. That is the main thing that we are checking with these. We've got shims that should not allow that to happen. But God forbid, we do not want you to waste your time putting this in, the primary, adding oil, everything. You know what I mean? That is a big job to do, to turn around and find out, oh shit, something's fucking wrong with the transmission. So before that happens, if that happens, you can get a hold of us, let us know, send that back. We will fix it. We will send it back to you pronto. If you got any questions, please leave a message. Give us a call, 217-682-3257, or send us an email, harley.77cycles@yahoo.com. Also, be sure to check us out, www.77cycles.com. Thank you, guys.